Now let's learn how to use the HTTP client GetVI. Look under Data Communication, Protocols, HTTP client, and we will use the GetVI. Let's take a look at the help page and see how to use this. The primary input is the URL, Uniform Resource Locator, or basically the web page address that you want to get. There's the body of the web page returned as a string, and then you also have access to the web page headers. This is available as a string too. Output file means that you could save the contents to a file, and client handle is useful if you're using this in conjunction with other HTTP client VIs for doing things like credentials, cookies, and other more advanced techniques. Let's take a look at the basic usage. I'm going to create a constant for the URL, and then I'm pasting in the Microsoft Network Connectivity Status Indicator web service. Before I run the VI, let's look at what this service looks like in a browser. It simply returns Microsoft NCSI. The web page is extremely simple. If you can reach this web page, then you know that your application can reach the internet. Let's create an indicator for the body of the web page that's returned. And then, while I often do not use the headers, it's sometimes useful to look at those, so let's consider both. All right, running the VI, we get the header information here. It says that the body will contain 14 bytes worth of information. There we see the date, and we have the plain text HTML page as we've seen earlier. Let's try a different website. We'll go to the website for National Instruments at ni.com. The header tells us that the page has moved permanently to this address. We see that the web page body is HTML, which you recognize from the content type attribute, and the web page body also tells the user this is where you will go next.